MicroStrategy just introduced a new concept called modern grids. Basically, they give us a preview of this in the last release. It was called a preview feature, and it was called microcharts. But basically, it's that's what modern grids are at this point. So I've just got a little video here. I'm going to play this. So to insert this, you just go to the grids drop down and you'll see this third one here. It says microcharts here, but that's modern grid. Basically, it's just a normal grid. I'm just going to build this out just to show you how easy it is to do. So I'm going to add on some data here. Let me just quickly put these on here. Just a regular grid. There's nothing special about it. There's the concept of column sets. Basically, column sets are groups of columns, in this case, metrics. So you can do actions based on that column set. But to add in the microchart, instead of a value set, if you do a plus and hit the microchart, then it comes up with a new option to say, okay, what do you want to do here? So I'm going to take the very first one. I'm going to give it a nice name so that we can debug this later. It's easy to understand. And you have three options: spark lines, trend lines, and trend bars and bullets. It'll ask you, well, what metric do you want to trace across the spark line, and what attribute? We're going to do it by month. So on time by month. So what this does is it inserts that spark line chart into your row on the grid itself, which is pretty awesome. You can add multiple different types. So if I want to add another type of microchart on there, let's do this one here. Let's make it a bar chart this time. And again, just select your attributes and metrics here, and it inserts it in. Pretty simple. So now you can kind of see trends over time for individual rows, which is pretty cool. You can also do bullet charts as well, but we're not going to go into that today. And then obviously over here on the left, the format panel is formatted specifically for microcharts. And I'm not going to go into today, but the very bottom one down here is the microcharts. You can change the height of the chart to individual charts. So you can do a lot of formatting and stuff like that. So that is that is the microchart, or the modern grid, as MicroStrategy calls it. I think that's going to be used a lot, or overused a lot, but we'll see how things go.